In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if you have an SSD or HDD in Windows 11 fixed today. Here, let's begin. Start by right-clicking the Start button on your taskbar and selecting Task Manager, or you can press Ctrl+Shift+Escape on your keyboard. Once Task Manager opens, go to the Performance tab, which is the second icon on the left-hand sidebar. Inside the Performance section, click on Disk 0 or Disk 1 if you have multiple drives. On the right side, you'll see details about your drive. Look closely under the drive name, and Windows will clearly label it as either SSD or HDD. This is the quickest way to check your drive type. If that method doesn't work or you want another way to confirm, click the search icon, type defrag, and open defragment and optimize drives. In the window that appears, look for the media type column. Here, Windows will list each drive as either solid-state drive or hard disk drive, so you can easily identify what you have. If you still want another method, click the search icon again, type Settings, and press Enter. Go to System, then Storage, and expand Advanced Storage Settings. From there, click Disks and Volumes. This section shows all connected drives and provides more detailed information about them. For a more advanced method, you can also use the command line. Right-click the Start button and select Terminal with Administrator Access. In the terminal window, type Get-Physical Disk and press Enter. This will display a list of your drives, and you can check the media type column to see whether each one is an SSD or HDD. After using any of these methods, you'll be able to clearly identify what type of storage your computer is using. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.